In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GameGuardian BlueStacks. Before we start, a quick heads up. GameGuardian typically needs root access, and BlueStacks isn't rooted by default. This method only works if you're using a rooted instance of BlueStacks 5. Begin by opening BlueStacks. Click the gear icon to open Settings, then look for either Advanced or Preferences depending on your version. In there, turn on Android Debug Bridge if you see it, and most importantly, enable root access. Some builds call it Allow Root Permissions. If you don't see any root option at all, that means your current instance isn't rooted. In that case, open the multi-instance manager that comes with BlueStacks, create a new instance, and during setup choose a rooted configuration. The NuGet 32-bit template is often the most compatible for GameGuardian, so pick that if it's available and make sure root access is enabled before you launch the new instance. Next, download the latest GameGuardian APK from the official website or a trusted source. Save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or your downloads folder. Avoid mirrors that look suspicious, and double-check the file name and version so you know you're getting the legitimate installer. To install the APK inside BlueStacks, you have two simple options. The quickest is to drag and drop the APK file directly into the BlueStacks window. It will recognize the package and start installing right away. If you prefer using the built-in tools, click the Install APK button on the right side toolbar. Browse to the GameGuardian APK you saved and select it. BlueStacks will handle the installation automatically and place the app in your library. Once the installation completes, open GameGuardian inside BlueStacks. On first launch, it will ask for root permission. Be sure to allow it because without root access, the app won't be able to function. If you see a message saying daemon not running, that's a sign root isn't properly enabled or your instance isn't supported. Double check that you're running the rooted instance you created, confirm that root access is toggled on in settings, and relaunch BlueStacks. If the issue persists, consider recreating the rooted NuGet 32-bit instance and trying again. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, stick to a rooted BlueStacks instance, and you'll have GameGuardian up and running smoothly.